This place gives me the creeps, but it's our best.
Agreed. Let's make it quick before the curfew bell.
Oops. Was that supposed to happen?
Ezra, what did you touch this time?
Hold on, I've got an idea. What did you just do?
Whatever it was, it looked awesome.
Let's get out of here before we attract more trouble.
Agreed. But we're coming back to figure this out.